Most people download reward apps expecting fast PayPal cash, then quit after earning almost nothing. Here's the truth no one tells you. Some apps are designed to waste your time with tiny rewards and impossible cash-out limits. But a few apps still pay real users in 2026, and some of them are surprisingly easy to use. In this video, I'll show you the best apps to earn free PayPal money in 2026, which ones are actually worth your time, and the fastest ways to cash out without getting stuck grinding for pennies. Let's start with FreeCash because this is one of the most popular platforms right now. You earn money by completing offers, downloading apps, playing games, and answering surveys. Alex tested it for one weekend and made enough for a small PayPal withdrawal just from gaming offers. The reason people like FreeCash is simple. Some offers credit quickly compared to older reward apps. But here's the problem. A lot of users skip the instructions on offer tasks. If the app says reach level 10 in 3 days, you must follow it exactly, or you may not get rewarded. Another strong app is Swagbucks. This platform has been around for years and still works well in 2026. You can earn through shopping cashback, surveys, videos, and mobile game offers. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real money usually comes from special promotions and high-paying sign-up offers, not the daily surveys everyone rushes to complete. This is where most people fail. They focus only on low-paying tasks instead of stacking multiple earning methods together. Next is Inbox Dollars. It's beginner-friendly and easy to understand. You get paid for small online activities like reading emails, watching short content, and completing offers. John used it during lunch breaks and slowly built enough for monthly PayPal payouts. It's not a huge income stream, but it's simple. In a minute, I'll show you one app many gamers use for passive rewards. But first let's talk about Fetch Rewards. This app pays mostly through receipt scanning. You shop normally, upload receipts, and redeem points for PayPal-style rewards or gift cards depending on availability. It's one of the easiest low-effort options. Now for gamers, Misplay is still one of the better choices in 2026. You earn by playing featured mobile games. The key is focusing on boosted games with higher multipliers. Random games usually earn much slower. But here's the catch with every app on this list. None of them will make you rich. The smartest strategy is combining 2 or 3 apps together. One app for gaming, one for surveys, and one for cashback. That's how users maximize payouts. The biggest takeaway is this. Free PayPal money is possible, but only if you use trusted apps and avoid wasting time on low-paying tasks. If this video helped you find better earning apps for 2026, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the best app that actually paid you.